welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do 3-digit divided by 1-digit division using the Abacus tool. If you have still not watched the part 1 video of division where I've explained the parts of division, the basic rules of division in the Abacus, kindly do watch that. The link is in the description box below. So let's get started. Always the dividend should be placed on the tool. It is always suggested to have a 17-rod tool for kids, especially even for anybody who wants to work on a tool. It's a standard size. If you take 15 rod or 13 rod, it will be much smaller. So on a 17 rod, you can either place it in the last part or you can just keep this as the house pointer and place the question. That is 262. Now we have to divide this number by 3. So first, 3 is a single digit number. My answer will also come in 3 rods. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So my answer will be here. 2 is smaller than 3, so I have to go to 2 rods. I'll take 2 rods. The last rod to consider is the tens place, so my answer will be on the tens place here. So for better understanding, I'll just keep my finger here. Now, 3, how many times is 26 or less than 26? So it is 3, 8 times is 24. I can take 8 times 24. Now again I have 2 here. I cannot take 2 because 2 is smaller than 3. So I'm going to take both the numbers again. So 3, this is the last number I'm considering. The last rod, which is ones place. So my answer will also be in the ones place. So 3 6 is 18. So I'll take 6 and I'll remove 18 from this. 1 to minus 8, it is minus 10 plus 2. So my quotient will be 86 and the remainder is 4. I can write it as 86 in the brackets 4. Let's go to the next question. 745 divided by 6. Take 745 on the tool. Now we have to divide this by 6. 6 is a single digit number. Consider single rod. 3 numbers, 3 rods. It's 7. 7 is larger than 6, so I can take 6 one time as 6. So it's in the hundreds place. You'll put the answer on the hundreds place. 6 times 1 is 6. Now I have 1. I cannot take this because 1 is smaller than 6. I'll take both the rods, which is 1, 4. 6 2 times is 12. So this is the last rod. My answer will be here. 6 2 times is 12. I'll remove 12. Now 2. Again 2 is smaller than 6, so I'll take both the rods. It is 25. So my answer will be in the ones place. 6 4s is 24. So I'll put 6 4 times is 24. Then my answer will be 124 and the remainder is 1. I can write it as 124 in the bracket 1. Now the next question. 641 divided by 9. 6 is smaller than 9. So I'll have to take both the rods. Then my answer will be in the tens place. We know that 9 7s is 63. I'll take 7 and remove 6, 3. Now I have 1. 1 will not work out because 1 is smaller than 9. So I'll take both the rods. Now it is 11. Again 11 I can take only 9 one time. I cannot take 9 2 times because 9 2 times is 18. Again my answer will be here. 9 one time is 9. I have to remove 9 from this, which is minus 10 plus 1. Then my answer will be 71 and 2. Now the next question. 444 divided by 6. Take 444 on your tool. Now it's divided by 6. 4 is smaller than 6, so I'll take both the rods. Now it is 44. Then my answer will be in the tens place. So we have to check if 44 goes in 6 times tables or any less number. 6 7s is 42. I can take 7 times and remove 42. Again 2 is smaller than 6, so I'll take both the numbers. It is 24 now. 6, my answer will be in the ones place. 6 4s is 24. Then my answer is 74 0. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel and support me. And also, if you have any questions that you want me to solve, kindly put it in the comment section below. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. And thank you for watching.